Hey everyone, welcome to This Explainer. Today, we are exploring something absolutely fascinating that's going to completely change the way you study, work, and just create in general. Look, everyone knows about ChatGPT by now, right? But what if I told you there's an entire ecosystem of AI workflows, just hidden out there on the internet that can save you literally hours of tedious work? We're talking about tools that help you create highly professional content and honestly feel exactly like having your own dedicated personal assistant. We're going to look at 5 highly specialized tools that most people are completely missing out on.
I mean, seriously, ask yourself, how would your daily life change if AI handled your most tedious, repetitive tasks? You know the ones. We all have those hours in the day just completely drained by gathering data, trying to format slides, or just staring at a blank page. The urgency here is real. If you could instantly outsource all that busy work, you could focus entirely on the high-level creative thinking that actually matters.
But here's the crazy part. Millions of people still don't even know these tools exist. While the masses are out there just scratching the surface with basic chatbots, there's this hidden internet of AI tools just waiting to be tapped into. By discovering these today, you're positioning yourself as an early adopter, and that gives you a massive advantage in literally whatever field you happen to be in.
Okay, let's dive into this. Section 1. Supercharging your research.
So let's start with the very first phase of your workflow, right? Gathering information. Think about traditional search engines for a second. You type in a query and Google gives you, well, a list of links. You still have to do the legwork, click through, read, and synthesize all that info yourself. But Perplexity AI, it's a search engine built with actual intelligence. Instead of just links, Perplexity gives you direct answers. It uses AI to actively search the web, instantly summarize the info for you, and, this is absolutely crucial, it provides the exact sources so you can verify where that information came from.
These capabilities completely change the game. Whether you're researching efficiently for some massive project, trying to learn entirely new topics from scratch, or you just need to compare conflicting information quickly, Perplexity handles all the heavy lifting. It truly feels less like a search engine and way more like having a highly intelligent research assistant sitting right next to you, pulling together exactly what you need in seconds. Now, taking that a step further, just imagine this scenario for a second. What if you had a personal tutor sitting with you who had already read every single page of your 100-page assignment? I mean, how much faster could you learn? How much easier would it be to just pull out the key themes and data points?
Well, enter Notebook LM. This is Google's AI research partner, and it is a phenomenal asset, especially for students and researchers. Get this. You can upload an entire book, a massive PDF, or incredibly complex research documents directly into the system. Actually, you can upload up to 50 different sources at once. It effectively internalizes an entire library of information for the AI to instantly and completely understand.
And Notebook LM puts all that understanding right to work for you. It summarizes those incredibly long documents in a flash. It answers specific questions based only on the files you provided, so no outside hallucinations to worry about. It instantly creates study guides. But now, what's really interesting about this is the audio feature. It can instantly generate a realistic, multi-speaker audio discussion straight from your notes. It literally turns your dry PDFs into an engaging, listenable podcast format. It's truly like having that personal tutor we just talked about, one who has already mastered your material.
Moving right along. Section 2. Presentations made effortless.
All right, so you've done your research, you understand your topic deeply, and now you need to share it. We can all relate to this frustration, right? Creating presentations usually takes hours. You end up spending way more time agonizing over formatting, alignment, and slide design than you do on the actual content itself. It is such a frustrating, time-consuming process, whether you're a student, a teacher, or a business professional. But this brings us to our third hidden tool, Gamma.
Gamma basically uses AI to act as a complete presentation maker. The workflow is just incredibly simple. Step 1, you just type in your topic or even just a single idea. Step 2, the AI instantly generates the structure and suggests content ideas for you. And Step 3, the AI completely builds out the slides and handles the entire visual design. Bam! In mere moments, Gamma takes you from a blank screen to a fully designed, beautifully structured presentation. It completely eliminates those hours of formatting frustration. You literally never have to fight with a misaligned text box at 2 a.m. ever again.
All right, let's shift gears. Section 3, generating voices in video.
Now let's push the boundaries into rich media production. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to produce high-quality audio without a microphone, without a sound booth, or without even having to speak a single word yourself? Well, that brings us to tool number 4, ElevenLabs.
We've come a very, very long way from those robotic, monotone text-to-speech voices of the 90s. This is mind-bending technology that allows you to create incredibly realistic, natural human voices using nothing but text. You just type the script and 11 Labs brings it to life with stunning emotional accuracy and real human inflection.
The practical applications here for creators are just endless. If you're making YouTube videos, producing audiobooks, doing digital storytelling, or you just need some professional narration for a project, 11 Labs makes generating professional voiceovers easier than ever before. You no longer need to hire expensive voice actors or stress out about your own recording quality. The AI just handles it, and it handles it beautifully.
And you know, if AI can conquer audio, it is absolutely conquering video as well. Which brings us to our fifth and final hidden tool, Kling AI. Creating videos traditionally requires an immense amount of resources, right? You need cameras, actors, lighting, heavy editing skills, the whole shebang. But Kling AI is a text-to-video generator. It literally creates video scenes from simple text descriptions. You just describe the scene in your head, type it out, and the AI turns your imagination into stunning, moving visuals.
And this brilliantly illustrates the massive paradigm shift we're living through right now. No cameras, no actors, just text. The barriers to entry for bringing your cinematic visions to life are completely falling away. I mean, if you can describe it, you can create a video of it. This technology is fundamentally changing the entire future of filmmaking and content creation.
Which brings us to our conclusion. Section 4, the future of creation.
We've covered a ton of ground today, but the absolutely crucial point is this. AI is not just about simple chatbots anymore. It's evolving into a complete creative partner that helps us learn more efficiently and work so much faster. This technology actively helps us create effortlessly and research deeply. It's becoming a true seamless collaboration between human imagination and artificial intelligence. The future belongs to those who understand AI. The people who take the time to learn and actually integrate these hidden tools today, they're going to have a massive advantage tomorrow. They'll outpace their peers in speed, in quality, and in pure creativity. If you found this explainer helpful, definitely make sure to subscribe to Learning AI from LM. But before we go, I want to leave you with this one question to think about. Now that all the busy work can be entirely outsourced to an AI partner, what extraordinary things will you